Welcome to the channel. If you run a business or work as a freelancer, emails slowly destroy your day. In this video, I will show you how I use AI to reply to emails automatically and handle up to 100 emails a day with almost no manual work. This is not theory. I will show you the exact tools, the exact setup, and how you can copy this system today. This works especially well if you are a freelancer, a solo business owner, or part of a small team. If you answer similar emails again and again, the system will save you hours every week. Here is what we are building. Emails come in, AI understands the message, AI writes a reply in your tone, and you only review or send it. Let's build it step by step. For this system, we will use three tools. First, Gmail or Outlook. Second, ChatGPT or any similar AI model. Third, an automation tool like Zapier or Make. Don't worry, you don't need coding skills. The logic is very simple. When a new email arrives, the automation reads it. Then it sends the email content to AI with clear instructions. AI writes a reply based on your rules, and the draft appears in your inbox. You stay in control. Nothing is sent without your approval. Step 1. We create a trigger. That means what event starts the automation. In our case, it starts when a new email arrives in Gmail. I'm choosing Gmail as the trigger app, and I'm selecting New Email Matching Search. This lets us target only the emails we actually want to answer. Now Zapier asks to connect your Gmail account. Just sign in with Google and click Allow so Zapier can read incoming emails and create drafts. This field is very important. It's a Gmail search query. It tells Zapier which emails should trigger the automation. I'm excluding promotions, social notifications, and no reply emails. So we only process real messages that usually need a response. Great! Now Zapier pulled the real email as test data. This is what we will send to ChatGPT in the next step. At this step, Zapier asks for access to my OpenAI account. This is required so it can send email content to ChatGPT and get a reply. I am signing in to OpenAI. Zapier does not see my password. This is handled directly by OpenAI. Here you need to find create an API key. And then creating the key. OpenAI will show you the key only once. You need to copy this. We return to Zapier and insert the keys there. Click Continue. This gives Zapier permission to use the OpenAI API for this automation. Once the account is connected, we can continue building the automation. Actually, we need to pay for this to OpenAI, but it's not expensive. Absolutely not expensive. If you are interested in how much, just let me know in the comments. Now we add the AI step. This is where we send the email text to ChatGPT and get ready to use reply. First, we set clear instructions for the AI. In this instructions field, I tell the model to act as my personal email assistant, to write short, polite, professional replies, ask clarifying questions if needed, and never include the original email in the response. Next, we build the actual message that we send to the AI. In this user message field, I add a simple structure: sender name, sender email, subject, and the body of the email. Then I connect each part to the real data from Gmail. I click this plus button on the right, choose new email in Gmail, and select from name, from address, subject, and the full email body. Now, every time a new email arrives, Zapier will send the actual sender name, subject, and body text to ChatGPT. When this step is ready, I click Continue and run a quick test. Zapier sends the sample email from the trigger to ChatGPT, and in a few seconds we get a clean, human-sounding reply. This is exactly the text we will use for our email drafts. Now we take the AI reply and automatically turn it into a draft email inside Gmail. This is the safest setup. AI prepares the reply, and you still review and decide whether to send it. In the To field, I choose the sender's email address straight from the Gmail trigger. For the subject, I simply add re and then insert the original subject. And in the body, I insert the text that came back from ChatGPT. This is the final email. Let's test it. Zapier runs the automation, and here, inside drafts, I already have a clean reply ready to send. I usually just read it quickly, maybe edit a word or two, and click send. So now my email workflow looks like this. New emails come in, AI writes replies, drafts appear automatically, and I only approve them. If you want more real AI workflows like this, subscribe. Next time I will show how I automate client reports. Thank you for watching and see you next time.